Good morning, students. I hope you are enjoying your map work. In the previous class, we had done the location of mountains, plains, and coastal plains. Today, we will locate the plateaus, rivers, and desert of North America. As you all know, the meaning of plateaus are flat top land with the steep sided slopes. Toward the northeastern part of the continent, there is a Canadian Shield, which is made up of old hard rocks, and this sheet is also known as Laurentian Shield. It is also covered with thick sheet of snow throughout the world, and you can write the name of the shield in between the area. And in index you give a color and write the name of the feature, Canadian Shield. Toward the northeastern part of the Canadian Shield, there is a Laurentian Plateau. Write the name of the plateau in the area. And in index, give a color to it and write the name of the feature. Laurentian Plateau. If you move toward the west of the continent, there is a Western Cordillera in which there are a number of mountain ranges. In between the mountain ranges, there is a plateau. That plateaus are known as intermontane plateau. So the meaning of intermontane plateaus, the plateaus that are surrounded by all the sides of mountains. So you mark an area of intermontane plateaus and label these plateaus. The first one is Columbia Plateau. Second is Colorado Plateau. Third is Mexican Plateau. Now in the index you give a color and write Intermontane Plateau. Now we have to mark the rivers of the continent. In the center of the continent, there is a central plains. From there, the river Mississippi start and drain into Gulf of Mexico, and Missouri is a part of the Mississippi River. Now label these rivers. River Mississippi. Children, use blue color to show these rivers. Now toward the northwestern part of the continent, from Great Slave Lake, the river Mackenzie flow northwest. It is the second largest river in North America, and finally it drains into Arctic Ocean. Now you have to label the river. Between the plateau and the Appalachian Mountains, there is another river is flowing, The name of the river is St. Lawrence River. Which drain into Atlantic Ocean. Toward the western side, there is a Colorado River which rises in the Rocky Mountains, United States, and flowing toward the west, and finally it's drained into Gulf of California. Now you have to label the river. Now we have to mark a desert in the continent of North America. In the western side, near the Gulf of California, there is a desert known as Colorado Desert. Children, if there is no space, you can write the name of the desert outside. It is a part of Sonoran Desert, which is extending from southeast California. Now you have to give a color to it, and in index you write the name of the feature. And give color to it. So children, these are the physical features of the continent of North America. Do the practice of these features on physical map of North America. If any kind of problem, you'll ask in the class. Thank you and have a nice day.